Hello everyone, here Team Striker came up with a new task. Here we have developed a Kubernetes web application. And the unique point of this application is it is totally voice controlled. Here we have to just give a command to this web application and then it is going to do each and everything. So it's going to be very interesting task. So let me show you about the server. So here is in AWS Cloud we have our server. Here we have installed Kubernetes and each and everything. So whatever we are going to do, it will be in this server. So I don't have to do anything. I just have to click on this mic and let's see how many deployments I have in this Kubernetes cluster. So I have to allow here and then I'm going to give a voice command. Jarvis, get deployments. So see, it's what very exact as I have said, it has written here, and then I have to click on search. Let's wait for output. So see, it is saying no resource found in default namespace, and if I just came up here and just try to show you kubectl get deployments, you will see nothing is here. Let's launch a deployment. So I will click on mic again. Launch deployment MyWeb with image HTTPD. So here you can see it has recognized very correctly, but here I have to edit one thing. I have said MyWeb, so let me write manually a bit and everything is right. Let me search and then it is going to launch a deployment. So here you can see deployment has been created. Let me show you, let me do get deployment. Get deployments. So let me search. So here you can see our deployment has been created. Okay, so now let's scale this deployment with Replica 7. So let me again give a voice command. Scale deployment MyWeb with Replica 7. Okay, so it was right, but here the name a bit changed. So let me write MyWeb. So here, as I click here, it is going to scale deployment. Whoa, deployment has been scaled. So now let's describe this deployment. So again, I'm going to give a command. Describe deployment MyWeb. So it is going to describe this deployment. Okay, so here we have whole information about this deployment, like 7 desired, 1 updated, 1 total, everything here we have. So let's expose this deployment. So what I have to do is expose deployment MyWeb with port 80. Okay, so here it is going to expose this deployment. Let me change this name, yeah, right now. So let's do this. So here the deployment has been exposed to port number 80, and whatever we are doing here you can see from here also. So I will say kubectl get deployment. So same thing you can see here. Let me describe this here also. So what I have to do here is kubectl deployment MyWeb. So here you can see each and everything about this deployment, whatever we have seen there also. So as right now this deployment has 7 replica, let's decrease it. Let's do scale in. Scale deployment MyWeb with replica 2. Okay, so it is going to scale in. So right now the 5 of port will terminate. So here you can see we have done scale in. Let's get deployments. Get deployments. So here you can see now we have only 2 code running now because we have done scaling. Let's see how many services right now we have. Get services. So here we can see all the services we have. So here you can see each and every services. Like I have exposed my web deployment with port number 80. So you can see it is here, and this is the cluster IP. Okay, so you can see it is very easy to work on Kubernetes from this web application. let's in last delete this deployment. So what I will do here is Jarvis delete deployment my web. So here you can see it will delete deployment my web. So let's do this. So here it is going to delete old deployment, and now deployment has been deleted. You can see from here also. So here if I just see now get deployments, so you will see nothing is here, and you can see from our web application also get deployments. So here you will see deployment has been deleted. Now we can do anything from here about in Kubernetes field. So that's the beauty of this application. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.